Hello.
Nobody cares.
That's right. That's right. 3v3 gang out here. So we got me, aka literally the best YouTuber out here, the best player out here.
Oh shit!
And to my left, we got a stupid kid, Fire, aka Noob Master 69. And then to my right, we got Platinum Man, aka Moaner. Shut up. I don't know where the other guy is. Dude, Zaxtra.
Camping! Holy crap, this is actually on the ground.
Shut up. You bomb.
They're not the camping.
What the hell? Bro. Yeah. Alright, just stay there.
No, do the dance again.
Oh wait, fine. Stay
No,
here.
no.
Stay here with me. Here, right here.